Okay, hello guys. It's the online hustler hub. Hello guys. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create a foreign Amazon account. Hope you understand. So I won't like us to waste much time on this video. So let me tell you what you need. What you need is number one, you need a new browser and then a new email address in creating this account. So if you look at my screen, um, I have a new browser, and this browser is called Tor browser. It's called Tor browser. Let me see if I can see the name. But I recommend some browsers like Epic browser. But I've used Epic browser in this system to create an account. That is why I'm not using it again. But you can use Epic browser. Why? Because Epic browser has an inbuilt VPN on it. You can use Opera Mini. If you look here, you will see my Opera Mini. This is Opera Mini. It has inbuilt VPN, and this Epic. And then you can still use any other browser. Yeah, but Epic and Opera Mini are the best so far I know. Okay, I said let me try this browser. This is a new browser in my system, and it is called Tor browser. So we'll be using this Tor browser to create an account. So let us not waste more time. Quickly go ahead and create your email, download a new browser, and then let's get started. So I'll be using Spain. I'll be creating a Spanish account. I'll be creating a Spanish account. So let's for me to create a Spanish account, I have to use a Spanish website. And Spanish website is amazon.es. Look at it. I think I've already opened it. Amazon.es. While I'm using this browser, while I'm using this browser is because this browser also has an inbuilt VPN. Yeah. So if you look at this place, it's a Tor circuit. If you click here, this is the browser. This is the browser. You use this. You understand? So this browser is operating from German as guide, operating from United Kingdom with this IP address, and is operating from France, and this is the browser. So this thing is not showing that it will not be showing your current country. Yeah, it will be showing these places. You can use IP location to check IP location to check where the thing is browsing from before you start. So while while you are creating your email, quickly go to your Google and type amazon.es and click on the first website that will show there. Click on the first website and it will bring you on this. So let's just do it together. Amazon.es. Search. So this first one, click on it. So make sure you have created a new email that you'll be using. Yeah, you see it brought me to this, and this Spain Amazon website. If you look at it, everything here is written in Spain. Yeah. So you'll be using your Google your Google your Google your phone translator as guide. Yeah, you'll be using your phone translator as guide. Okay, so let's quickly go go ahead and create an Amazon account. So I come here. Yeah, so you said, yeah, what is written here is type in your email. For those of you that have been writing book in Spanish and you can translate Spanish a bit like me, I'm used to writing book in Spanish. Then I think I understand few ways of this, but my Google still do help me Yeah, so say sign in or create an account. That is what is written here. Sign in or create an account. Then enter your phone number or email address. That is what is written in the second line there, this one. So let's quickly type in our email. You can still use English version. I hope you understand. You can still use English version and use any details of your choice. Yeah, but I prefer this way. So I will type in the new email I created for this, and the new email is recommend this Chris 8 at gmail.com. Yeah, that is the email I created. So let's continue. So what do you write? You say proceed to account creation. That's why it says here. Proceed to account creation. So you click proceed. You- So you said your name and password. That's all you see. Name and password no less than 6 characters. So the name I'm using is Christian. Christes no commendes. Christes no commendes. No commendes. This is Spanish name. But this Christian is the account details I want to use. I hope you understand. This is the account details I want to use. So I need to add I just need to add this name recommended because it's Spanish name so that it will help rhyme with what I'm doing. So let me use password. Which password will I use? Okay, let me ask ChatGPT to generate a unique password for me. Unique password from this name. Christian comment this. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, let's go back. This in this account, I'm doing this for tutorial. So I'm showing you everything guide by guide step. I not say you should go and be trying to open my account. Okay, what I will do here is I won't let you know the password I'll choose. I'll just pick one, then come and use it here. So create your own from this process. And I hope you understand. I'm not telling you to go and start. Okay, let's just skip this. So I'll quickly type in my password. Let me look for the one I'll use. Oh, okay. So I'll type in my password. So I've typed in my password and I click continue. So you see, after putting in my password, it loads and it brought out this. They will send me a code to put in the code here. Please, if you don't understand Spanish, use English for safe so that you understand what you're doing. So they have sent the code and the code is here already. So let's proceed. See now continue. So after you do this, if they show you a puzzle to solve, that means this is not successful. You change another browser. But you see now, they did not show me any puzzle to solve. And now our Amazon account is created. Yeah, the Amazon account is complete. As you can see, this Amazon account, Madrid. Yeah. So now we're proceeding to KDP. Our main aim for creating this account is to be able to publish book on KDP. And before then, we have to set in a two-step verification for this account. You understand? Okay, so let's go ahead to uh, add a two-step verification for this account. Yeah, this where uh, it will take me it will take me time to understand. Yeah. Okay, so what I want to do is to add two-step verification. Yeah, and this way we get two-step verification in an Ignition account here. That I'm used to Amazon account, that's why. Okay, so we click here. Login security. Okay, this one is two-step verification. This two-step verification. Verification two passo. So that is two-step verification. Verification two passo. So click that. So then I'll send you an email again to put in the code here. You want to be sure it's you. I want to add this. So the code has come, and type in the code. So I proceed. So what I want to add is a two-step verification. That's what I want to add here. Yeah. So this phone number, I don't have phone number, so I'll be going for this two-step verification. That is authenticator, the user of authenticator, that is what is showing here. Yeah. So okay, so you have to scan this with your phone. You also have to scan this with your phone. You go to authenticator, Google authenticator. I know you'll be used to this, but I'm just trying to explain for those first. Go to your Google authenticator, select on the email, then click add code. You'll see a plus sign there, click it and scan this. So I'll scan it, and then they have given me this code, and then I'll put the code in here, and then click, and then that is all. It's now set. So what they write here is save, and then so that they won't ask you again in this system. So you click save, verification, continue. So that's all. The two-step verification is added. It's complete for use now. So I've succeeded in creating an Amazon account. So now we'll proceed to KDP to set up our KDP account and make it ready for publishing. Please, once you fill in that first step, second step where you put in code that they sent to your email, if they bring in a puzzle for you to solve, that means they'll be asking you for phone number. They'll be asking you to add phone number for verification, and it's not usual. That means there is something that you did not do right. So once they show you that puzzle, you have to close, download another browser and use this. And that because after the puzzle, they will be needing you to put a phone number there. All right. So once it shows like that, you close it. And for easy account creation, you can use your phone. Please, phone. I think phone is very easy to create. You can use your phone. Maybe change in the VPN. If you want to use VPN, you can use VPN. There is one VPN I recommend. One click VPN is free. One click VPN. Yeah. So you can use that to create any accounts, multiple accounts. Yeah, but still stick with me as we are going to set up our KDP account. Okay, so let's go to KDP, KDP.es. I know why I do add this ES because that ES stands for Expano. That is Spanish. So I do add it so that so that they will bring Spanish site for me. Okay, you see, so this kdp.com. Okay, you see, this is kdp.com/asp. So we'll go to our KDP to set up our KDP accounts. So this is KDP, this is join, and this is sign in. So I'm signing. So they ask you to provide an email or your phone number. So you type in your email or your phone number. You can still come here to get your email or phone number. So this is my email. I'll come in here. No, that is not the KDP. Close this. So this is the KDP. Put in your KDP here. Continue. Ask you to type in your password or what did I use as password. So you continue. So two-step verification, and this is don't ask again in this system. So the two-step verification code is okay. So this is accept. This is the terms and condition. You read and then accept. This cancel and this accept. Yeah. So let me use my phone to translate this one so that it won't be a guesswork. Okay, yeah, it's accept and cancel. So the yellow one is accept and the other one is cancel. Okay, this is your KDP account. This is your KDP account. Now, what we need to do is to set in this KDP account to be able to publish book. Now, if you translate this to English, let me put it in English so that you see. Once you translate in this English, okay, you see, complete your account information to publish a book. You need to complete this account information, and then if you do not complete this account information, you won't be able to publish a book. So let's go ahead. I think we can continue with this English one. Okay, but if you still want to use English, you can still use English. It's fine. All right, so let's go ahead. And I want to tell you something before we proceed. Me, while I create my account, I use fake bank details to create my KDP account, and I don't update it on or until I'm about to receive money. Yeah, on or until my account made money, they want to pay me. That is when I now put in every account details. But while setting up an account, I do use fake bank accounts. Yeah, because we don't trust KDP. You can create an account, put in your bank accounts, and then at the process, KDP will just Amazon will just terminate your account, and you can't use that bank account again. So what I do is I create a KDP account, use fake bank details, and then when it's time for payment, I'll remove they will notify me that the fake bank details is not working. So I will change it and put in a correct bank details that I can use and receive money. So another challenges we face here is verification. Yeah, and you see, sometimes KDP will ask you to verify your account with the country you are claiming you are from. They will ask you to verify your account. And you see this, as you see this one now, they have not asked for verification. Yeah. Depending on how you feel this, then they will now ask you for verification. Once you save this now, if you are lucky, you will be asked to verify your account. But if you are not lucky, you won't be asked to verify your account. So let's quickly fill in these details. Use the same details here to put in as your name, country, put Spain, Spain. So postal code. So we need a fake details to fill in here. Hope you understand. We're getting okay. So we'll go to these fill details. We'll go to I do use what is the name? Okay, let's just type span Spain. Sorry, Spain. Fake. Yes, you can even get uh, Spain fake bank details. Yeah, you can use this random generator. There is another one. Fake your fake Z. You can use fake Z for Madrid, and you can use look at this one for name, address, IBN credit. This is the one I do use most times. Okay, so what's my best random? Okay, this, so let's see the address they provide. This this account I'll use. In the bank detail, this IBN and this account number is the one I'll use. Alright, so then so what is the name of the site? I like that one, very simple. Random address. Spain random address. So random address, this is the site I do like that one. It's right simple and straightforward. Okay. So now I'm going to be using, I'll be looking for the one in Madrid. So we're looking for Madrid. Okay, this one is Barcelona, this one is Malaga, Salamanca, Malaga, Salamanca, Malaga, Navarra. Okay, let's find the one in Spain. In Madrid. You can put it open this now for you. So Madrid. It's not Madrid. Okay, so let's see this one. This one is regenerator. See Madrid. Bring out Madrid. Okay. Alright, so let's use this as the, so you copy the zip code, come in here, put six, then now into states, province and region, state, province and region. So now state, choose the states. The state is the region is Madrid. The province is Cote Madrid. Province, let's pick that one. Then the city is Madrid. Okay, it is Madrid. So put in Madrid. Then the street is so then your bank details, your date of birth, sorry. So I'll use 25th. I use June. June is 6 bar, 25th, 1993. So you can pick in a random phone number from there, or you can come here and just pick in a random phone number. So put it here. Yeah. So save. You can screenshot this. Maybe when they ask you for verification, you can screenshot this for future use. Yeah. So I'll click on save and continue. So they bring you to where you put in your bank details. So my bank details, I do use Spain. Spain. And let me use, should I use United States? Let me just try and see. Let me use Spain. Spain. So come here, this Spain. I think this Spain account details Spain. Yes. So come down this or there for IBN. IBN. So you can here pick this IBN, Spain IBN, put it here. So they ask you for IBC code. Use the IBC code, copy it, put it here, and the date of birth. There is is 6th, yeah, 6th June 1993. I think so. 6th June 1993. 6th June. No, 25th. 25th of June 1993. So this is what I use. So and then in my account I'll be using this name. Use the normal name I use, this name. So I'll put it here. So select an existing address. So add. Yeah. So we have finished the account section. We'll be going to tax section, and I think this is the last section that we'll be doing in this tutorial. So we'll save and continue. So it's individual I'm using. Say no, say no. Yeah, that's my name. So which country citizenship am I using now? Put Spain. So, Spain. I don't wanna use. Okay, so you put everything in that. Here now they said put random number for your identification, and this is nine nine digits with one alphabet. So put random 9 digits with one alphabet and it will work. Yeah. So pick just one random 9 digits. Let me come copy that phone number. How many is it? I think it's 9. Okay. Let's just copy one phone number here. And let's copy this one. So put in L there or X or E. Okay, it's eight numbers with one alphabet. Hope you understand. Yeah. So you can put X. You can put X. Okay, let's just put A. So click continue. So Spain, confirm, save and preview. So this is your tax information. All you need to do is just come here, click certify, fill in your name. That is what I advise you to save a copy of this PDF. Advise you to save a copy of this. Okay, maybe they will give us later, but let me copy it in case. They will give us later, but let me copy. So submit form. So account validation. 0 withheld tax. So you click here, click print to save this. So I'll use the name Christian. So save. Yeah, so we are done with creation of accounts. So this same account now they did not source verification to verify it, but I'll wait maybe pending when they ask me for verification, then we'll still do a video on how to verify an account. You see, this is the account, no verification. Yeah, this is how I create this account, no verification. As you can see, they did not ask me for verification. Okay, that is the account, no verification yet. So now you can go ahead and publish your book without verification, without asking for anything. But maybe with in time comes they might ask you to verify this account. So you know the details you use, and I've dropped ID cards on how to verify ID on how to verify KDP accounts on the group, on the WhatsApp group. Yeah. So see you on my next video. Sorry it took me time to drop this video. Um I left YouTube and then I focused on KDP. I wanted to publish like 5 to 10 books before I come back to YouTube. But I'm fully back now and believe guiding you into making money online. Yeah, I've been doing my best, and believe me, KDP is actually paying. KDP is paying, and I'm part of those that have earned in KDP. I'm not a form of those that say this is what I make online so that you make it on. No, you motivate yourself to make money online. You know. So see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Let me just show you instances of money. I think I've closed it. Okay, I've closed it. I think let me see gray. Okay, so KDP pays. Take your time to learn KDP. KDP pays. Yeah. So it has closed. So no problem. Just follow this process and you achieve this result. And then I'll be dropping video on how I write my book from start to finish. How I check plagiarism, how I arrange my book, and then how I publish it. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much.